Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to another Christmas coin. This is a Christmas coin from the Isle of Man from 1984. It shows a tray. It shows here on this side. Let me just get my pointy ding. We have the actual name of the country around here. We have the date there, and we have Elizabeth's name there. So this is a 1984 coin. It's the Christmas coin for that year, and if we have a look, it is described as a train That's actually a tram, it's not a train. It's a tram bus with, you've got Christmas at the top here, you've got the 50p at the bottom, you have the charabanc type bus, and you have people standing around. This coin was dated 1987. Why have I got it in the 1984 one? So this is a 1987 coin. I do apologise, not the 1984 coin. It has a tram, old-fashioned, a bus, but an old-fashioned and old-style type of bus. That's the main character of it, and people milling around it, getting on and getting off, going about their daily whatever. It's a lovely coin. The Isle of Man 50p's, the Christmas ones in particular, are very very highly sought after, particularly of this age. This is an old style 50p. It's the old size. What do you think of it? I like it a lot. I love these older 1980s and 1990s. In fact, most of the Isle of Man sets or coins for Christmas have been not necessarily chintzy Christmas like Father Christmas or Christmas puddings or Christmas trees or things like that, but quite unique Christmas 50p's, which is what I love about them. I finished my review of this coin now, so if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you can find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. I am doing 30 videos in 30 days, sorry, 31 videos in 31 days over the whole of December. So it's going to be a minimum of one video a day over the whole of the 31 days of December. I wanted to set this challenge for myself, and I hope that you enjoy it. So hopefully over the next 31 days of the December Christmas extravaganza that I've got going on, you'll find something that you'll like and you want to watch. For that, so thank you for watching. Let's just bring you out a little bit. Until we meet up again on this channel, thank you for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye bye now. Ta-da!